It's been interesting to just think about the parallels between like what's happening right now in AI and what's happened in the past. Yeah, here's something, Daniel. Like, let's say I'm listening to this and I'm freaked out because I got a job and now I'm thinking very, very existentially about me and my livelihood and the people I take care of in my life and whether or not I have a job going forward because I think AI is coming for my job. I think that's a very fair feeling. And I also think it is a fair assessment that AI cannot replace you as a human. You asked at the beginning of the call, am I an AI? I'm not. I'm a human. You're a human. Every one of our listeners, well, that's probably not true. Half of our listeners are AI, but you guys shut it off right now. And for our human listeners, we're humans. We can do things that are uniquely human. AI is not going to take our jobs as long as we're not trying to hold on to a job that AI should have. Like if I'm trying to hold on to an order processing job, and that's how I define myself, and that's where I get all of my self worth. Yeah, AI is going to take that job. But if I am a human and I show up as my best human self and I'm interacting with other humans and I'm helping them manage fear, uncertainty, and doubt, I'm helping manage kind of stakeholder alignment, I'm helping manage strategy, I'm helping build confidence, I'm helping chart kind of a course forward, I'm helping make connections between humans. AIs can't do those things. Just step into the upper kind of half of the realm of your job, lean into that and figure out how to outsource the rest to AI and you won't be worried anymore. Like you'll be automating everything that's predictable. Yes, AI is going to take that and it's going to give you a chance to humanize all the exceptional stuff, the stuff that only you could do. And that's where we want to live.
I started this podcast because of an image that came to me in a dream. Back when cities had walls, everyone passed through the gate. Talk to enough people there and you'd understand the city. I wanted to stand at the gate and understand not just how AI was changing, but how AI was changing us. If you know someone building or leading with AI, or if this episode was useful, an introduction, a share, or a quick review on your podcast app all help keep these conversations going and help others find them. You can reach me on LinkedIn at Daniel Manary or by email at daniel@manary.house. That's Daniel at manary.haus. Thanks for listening.